Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to tell if someone blocked you on TikTok. To tell if someone blocked you on TikTok, start by opening TikTok on your device, and then in the top right corner go for a searching option and start typing the username of the person that you want to check whether they have blocked you using basically your keyboard. If the profile doesn't appear in the search results, it may be a sign that you have been blocked. You can also use a different TikTok account to search for this person, and if the profile appears there but not on your main account, if that makes sense, it's likely that you have been blocked. And lastly, if you can still access the profile of the person that you suspect, but see a message like no content, or the profile simply looks empty, despite knowing they were active before, it can also suggest that you have been blocked by that user. So that's how you can tell if someone blocked you on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.